Okay, this is the next examples for number 5 on your packet. Number 5 and 7 are similar. All right, notice that it says a new car is purchased for $17,900. The value of the car depreciates at 13% per year. What will the value of the car be to the nearest cent after 7 years? Now remember, on the last video, for money, we're gonna round to the nearest hundredth. All right, if it's below 5, that number will stay the same. If it's a 5 or above, it will bump up 1. So I'll show you that. So the first thing you do is write down 17,900, like so. I didn't write that as neat as I wanted to. All right, open the parentheses up. We always use 1, but now it says that the car depreciates. So we're going to subtract 13%. We change to a decimal, like so. 13 divided by 100, and that gives us 0.13. 0.13. It doesn't matter about the 0, but we're going to do 0.13 or 0.13. And then the value after 7 years is our exponent. The time is always our exponent. All right, so that's the setup. All right, now you go back to your decimals calculator, type everything in, $17,900, open parentheses, 1 minus 0.13, close your parentheses, shift 6. That's very important for your exponent. Put a 7. Then that money comes out, $6,752.86. But notice that there's a 0 next to the 6. That means we keep everything the same. 6,752. 8 is in the tenths place. 6 is in the hundredths place. 0 is in the thousandths place. So since this in the thousandths place, the third number, since it's below 5, we keep those two numbers the same and you're done. Okay. You do the same thing for number 7. All right. So the same thing, it has the money. You gotta change the percentage to a decimal. This one's 8 years. And then you round it to the nearest cent, which is what I told you to do. If that number is, let me show you that real quick. Let's say that number was 6,052,867. So if that third number is above 5, or it is 5, then we bump that 6 up 1. So it's $6,752.87. That's how you're precise and get all your money. So it depends on that third number for money. Okay. Look how it went here. The second number for the 10th. All right, see how it bumped up 1? That's how that goes. So that's what you look at when it says around to the nearest cent. That means around to the nearest hundredth. Okay? So you do not write all those numbers. I do not expect to see that comes out of your calculator.